Guys, they have this car culture in Poland, and there's like, there are all sorts of cars here. There's all sorts of things going on. Some guys were leaving here just before and were revving the engines and spinning the wheels. The engine was really loud. And then they have these, I guess these are like military vehicles, right? Oh, it's an American Jeep. Huh. All right. It's interesting to see. I wasn't expecting that. It's another one. I think it's a Willys. I guess these are like older motorcycles that they're putting on display. I don't know cars that well, so I'm just trying to give you guys a feel of what it's like here. But I like this one. I like the orange color. It's just got a bench in the back. It's another military vehicle. See if it has a flag or some insignia. Number 3, Volkswagen. Okay. Yeah, I think these are the most interesting vehicles of all the cars here. The modern ones, whatever, they're fine, but these, I think these have the most style. Really cool. Yeah, these two are my favorites so far. By far. This looks like a fire truck or a fire van, really. There's a Playboy here sporting, looks like France, 1998. Some of the fire truck here. This all would mean something, you know, maybe it would be like Fire Station 497, Unit 27, something like that. There's always a reason for things like that when you see like numbers painted on government vehicles. Oh, here's the ladder. So hopefully you guys are car enthusiasts that you like this and you kind of understand what I'm showing you here. I don't really know what I'm showing you here. Just kind of guessing at what you might like to see. But this is a Zook ZUK FSC Lublin, and this is a Fiat. Polski Fiat. It's as Polish as it gets. So that may be communist there cars. Here's another Fiat, which seems to have way too many stuffed animals on it. And a few others. Let's see. Same thing. Another, I think, Fiat. Some old school car here. Oh, it's a Ford. It's a 1943 Model 93E. Go. That's what the interior looks like. PL should be for Poland, right? It's a Neckar. Driving the Neckar. First time I've ever seen a Neckar. The interior. Cool. I think that was the heart of the car show right there, at least for the kind of Polish set. Looks like the rest of these cars are kind of more modern and I don't think that interesting. I think we just hit the kind of the real gold of the car show. Show you guys this one. Tiger set.
Żeby to wydostać, praktycznie muszę do bloku rozkręcić, zostawiam tylko wiesz, głowicę to, ale wszystkie kolektory, wszystko...
Sweet. Polish. And here's one I love, guys, the hippie machine, the Volkswagen Boss. Popularized in the 60s by the hippies in California, even though it's, I guess, German-made Volkswagen. But super cool looking. It looks like they take really good care of this thing. I mean, looks like it's in immaculate shape. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 benches. Excuse me. And then there's a big back compartment thing. Some racks up here. Yeah, I like that one a lot. That's about it, guys. That kind of wraps up this show on the American and German notes. So let's say goodbye from there.